At 62, Evelyn found herself gripping the bathroom walls just to stand up. She walked faithfully, 30 minutes every single day, yet her legs still trembled, her balance felt off, and every simple movement reminded her how much she'd lost. 3 months later, she's hiking with her grandkids, smiling, steady, unstoppable. What changed? Not a miracle, not expensive equipment, just three simple movements, 15 minutes, 3 times a week. If you're over 60 and your only form of exercise is walking, listen carefully, because you might be missing the three specific movements that actually rebuild your strength, protect your bones, and keep your independence for years to come. But before we start, if you care about staying strong, active, and pain-free after 60, take a second right now. Hit that like button so this life-saving information can reach more people who need it, maybe even someone you love. Now let's be honest, walking is wonderful, but it's not the full story. Doctors rarely say this out loud, but walking alone isn't enough to protect your aging body. Here's why. The truth about walking after 60. Yes, walking is healthy. It keeps your heart pumping and clears your mind. But it doesn't build the kind of muscle your body starts losing as you age. Once you cross 50, you lose between 3% and 8% of your muscle mass every decade, especially if you're not challenging those muscles to work against resistance. And here's the surprising part. Walking can slow that loss, but it can't reverse it. Think about it. When you walk, you're moving straight ahead on level ground. But real-life balance challenges happen sideways, backward, and unexpectedly. When you reach for a top shelf, step off a curb, or get bumped in a crowd, that's when falls happen. That's when independence slips away. And when it comes to bone health, the truth is walking doesn't create enough impact to truly strengthen your bones. It's simply too gentle to rebuild density. That's why so many older adults who walk daily still end up with fragile bones, fractures, or hip replacements. But here's the good news. There's another way. And it starts with 3 science-backed movements experts now call the non-negotiables for anyone over 60. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to Senior Secret, where every week I break down healthy aging research into simple, real-world actions that actually work. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Exercise number 1, the squat. Your independence insurance policy. Try something right now, seriously. Stand up from your chair without using your hands. Could you do it smoothly, or did you have to push yourself up? If it wasn't easy, squats are about to become your new best friend. Dr. Michael Jonesko calls squats the single most functional movement for aging adults. Because every time you sit down, get out of a car, or rise from the toilet, you're performing a squat. Lose that ability, and you slowly lose independence. Squats strengthen the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and core, the powerhouse muscles that protect your knees, hips, and spine. They're your built-in shock absorbers, preventing falls, stabilizing your joints, and keeping your bones resilient. A 2023 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seniors who practiced squats twice a week for 12 weeks boosted leg strength by 34% and improved their ability to stand from a chair by 40%. Those who only walked, just 8%. That's the power of targeted movement. How to do it safely. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly angled out. Keep your chest lifted, eyes forward. Imagine you're about to sit into an invisible chair behind you. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees. Keep your weight in your heels. Go only as low as feels comfortable. Even a few inches counts. Never let your knees cave inward. Keep them tracking over your toes, not shooting far ahead. If you feel sharp pain, stop. For beginners, use a real chair. Lower yourself slowly until you lightly tap the seat. Then stand back up. It's safe, it's confidence building, and it trains perfect form. Breathe in as you lower. Breathe out as you rise. Let the rhythm of your breath power your strength. Your progression plan. Weeks 1 to 2. Do chair squats. Sit fully, then stand. 2 sets of 8. Weeks 3 to 4. Do chair taps, just touch, don't sit. 2 sets of 10. Weeks 5 to 6, move to air squats, no chair. 3 sets of 10. Week 7 and beyond. Add light dumbbells or slow your tempo for challenge. Do this twice per week, never on back-to-back days. If full squats feel too demanding, try wall squats. Lean against a wall, slide down to 90 degrees, and hold for 10 to 20 seconds. You'll feel your legs come alive. Now tell me, can you stand from a chair without using your hands? Drop a quick yes or no in the comments. I read every single one. Exercise number 2. Resistance band rows, your posture protector. Next time you're out shopping or walking in the park, take a look around. Notice how many people over 60 walk slightly hunched forward, shoulders rounded, neck craning down. That's not normal aging. That's preventable. Rows are the antidote. See, walking does nothing for your upper back or shoulder muscles. Years of sitting at desks, on couches, behind steering wheels, leave your back weak, your chest tight, and your shoulders drifting forward. The result? Neck strain, shoulder pain, even shallow breathing. Dr. Grayson Wickham says, "If I could prescribe only one upper body exercise for adults over 60, it would be rows. They reverse decades of postural damage. Strong back muscles do more than improve posture. They reduce lower back pain, prevent rotator cuff injuries, help you lift grandkids safely, and yes, they even enhance balance. Because when your upper body's aligned, your entire center of gravity stabilizes." How to do it? Grab a resistance band. They cost just $10 to $15, and choose a light or medium tension. Anchor it around something sturdy at chest height, a pole, stair railing, or closed door. Test the band's security first. Hold one end in each hand, step back to create tension. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, knees soft, chest proud. Start with arms fully extended. Feel that gentle stretch. Now pull your elbows straight back toward your ribs, not flaring out. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Pause for 1 second, then return slowly, controlling the movement. That's one perfect rep, restoring posture, strength, and confidence, one pull at a time. Now let's talk about what most people get wrong and how to get this right every single time. When doing resistance band rows, avoid the 3 classic mistakes. Don't shrug your shoulders like you're wearing them as earrings. Don't just tug with your arms. This is a back movement. And never snap the band like a slingshot. Slow, steady, and controlled wins every time. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you extend. Exhale as you pull. Do 10 to 12 reps per set, 2 to 3 sets total, about 2 to 3 times per week. Take a 90-second break between sets. If you feel it only in your arms, pause and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together like you're trying to hold a small coin between them. That's the secret. That's where the magic happens. Here's your roadmap for progress. Weeks 1 to 3. Use a light band. Just focus on perfect form. Weeks 4 to 6. Move up to medium resistance. Same reps. Week 7 and beyond. Add a 3rd set or slow your tempo for more control. No resistance band? No excuses. Fill 2 milk jugs with water, bend forward at the hips, and pull them toward your waist. You'll feel your back wake up. And your posture thank you. If this tip helped you, share it with just one person you care about. It takes 3 seconds, but it might save someone's shoulders, balance, or confidence. Now, the third and most powerful move of all, the one that decides whether you stay independent or depend on others. Exercise number 3, the single leg stand. Your fall prevention superpower. It looks simple, but it's a silent test of your life's balance. Literally. Because here's what research reveals. If you can't stand on one leg for 10 seconds, your risk of dying in the next decade doubles. That's from a 2022 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine. Let that sink in for a moment. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related death for adults over 65, and 1 in 4 seniors will fall every single year. You don't fall because you're clumsy. You fall because balance fades quietly, 1 year at a time. And walking, as good as it feels, doesn't train your balance. It's too predictable. Real life, it's stepping off curbs, turning your head fast, reaching for something high, or getting nudged unexpectedly. That's where your stability is tested. And that's why you need this. Harvard's Dr. Jonathan Bean found that balance training cuts fall risk by up to 50%, more than strength training alone. He said it best. If you can't balance on one leg for 30 seconds, you're a fall waiting to happen. Let's fix that, starting now. Here's how. Stand next to a wall or sturdy counter. Place one hand lightly on it, not to lean, just for reassurance. Shift your weight onto your right leg. Lift your left foot just 2 or 3 inches off the floor. Not high, just enough. Keep your standing leg soft, never locked. Eyes forward. Focus on one spot in front of you. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. Do this 3 times per leg. Key tips. Grip the floor gently. Breathe easy. Engage your core. Use just a fingertip for balance. Let your body do the work. Your progress plan. Weeks 1 to 2, 10 to 15 seconds with light support. Weeks 3 to 4, 20 to 30 seconds, still light touch. Weeks 5 to 6, 30 seconds, no support, stand near a wall. Week 7 to 8, arms crossed. Week 9 plus, eyes closed, 10 to 15 seconds, only if safe. Do this daily. Mornings are best. Just 3 minutes to wake up your nerves, your core, and your confidence. Ready to level up? Try it on a pillow, turn your head side to side, or do it while brushing your teeth. That's how balance becomes habit. Can't hold for 10 seconds even with light touch? Talk to your doctor. A quick check could prevent future falls. Pause the video and try it now. Can you balance for 10 seconds? Comment your result. This is your beginning, not your limit. Weekly blueprint, Monday and Thursday. Squats, 3 by 10, 6 minutes. Band rows, 3 by 12, 6 minutes. Single leg stands, 3 times per leg, 3 minutes. That's just 15 minutes, twice a week. On rest days, practice balance for 3 minutes. Keep your walks. They lift your mood. But these moves train what walking misses. Strength, posture, balance. Remember Evelyn? She once needed a wall to stand. 3 months later, she's hiking with her grandkids. She said, "I thought exercise was optional. Now I know it's my key to freedom." Your body can still surprise you at any age. Challenge it wisely and it'll reward you. So before you scroll away, do one set right now, because your future self, still walking, laughing, independent, is counting on what you do today. If this inspired you, 1, subscribe for more life-changing tips. 2, like ours so others can see it. 3, share with someone over 60 who deserves to move freely again. Stay strong, steady, and independent. Together, you've got this.